85% of the homes in our country have hard water, and that means that you probably have hard water. I'm going to show you how hard water reacts with pure soap compared to how treated water reacts with pure soap, treated water that doesn't have any hardness in it. And in order to do that, I already have some treated water that I brought with me here from one of our Kinetico systems. I'm going to take some ordinary sink water and I'm going to pour it into this flask. It looks like we have an equal amount of water. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, which is pure soap. Now this does not have any chemicals or fillers in it. It's just a pure soap. And I'm going to add 3 drops to each flask. I'm going to add 3 drops to the treated water. And I'm going to add 3 drops to the untreated water. And the first thing I'm going to do is just lightly swirl each flask. Once again, this water here has been treated through one of our Kinetico water treatment systems. It does not have any hardness in it. This flask here does have hardness in it. So as you can see already, you can see how the soap is combining with the hardness in the water here. It's very, very cloudy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shake this up. And I'm going to shake up the treated water flask. And you can see an amazing difference, can't you? Now, in order to get suds here, what we need to do is we have to add more pure soap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 3 more drops. We're going to double it up, and I'm going to end up with 6 drops here. 4, 5, 6. We now have 6 drops compared to 3 drops. I'm going to shake the flask again. And as you can see, not much is going on. I don't know how well you can see this, but a curd is already starting to develop. The hardness that's in the water that's totally dissolved is combining with the soap and it's creating a curd. And this is normally what happens, you know, in the home, in the bathtub, or on the shower curtain. Sometimes you'll see some buildup in your sinks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double this up again, and we're going to add 6 more drops. So we're going to be at a total of 12 drops compared to 3 drops with the treated water flask. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now we have 12 drops to 3 drops, 4 times the amount of soap. Let's see what happens now. So as you can see, we still have nothing. And as I turn the flask here, you can see the curd really starting to accumulate, you know, on the sides of the flask. And this is why it makes it so difficult to clean in your home, because not only is it expensive, but it takes a lot more time. And with one of our Kinetico water treatment systems, as you can see, it takes a very, very little amount of soap, very, very little amount of time, and you're going to get excellent results.